There's a big hype on iOS 18. In this video, we will see what is the top feature of the iOS 18. So let's dive in the detail. So look at this. This is right now the iOS 18. They just made it for the beta version, which says the beta give you the early preview of the upcoming app feature and technology. So let's dive in what they make the new, and let's start from the home screen. So they in the home screen they put some crazy feature which actually they didn't launch in the iOS 17 and later. Let's try with this. Press and hold for the home screen, and this time for the home screen it will go in the toggle mode, but you can just edit that screen by simple clicking edit button, and you can customize your screen in iOS 18. And you can select the small icon which shows icon with the name, but if you select large one, so the name will disappear and icon will go big. So if you know the icon, the brand or application by icon, so that feature is for you. But otherwise you can go with this small. Multiple other feature, you can click here, all icon will go dark mode, and if you click this one, everything go into the light mode. And this is a new feature they introduced, which is the tinted. If you go for the tinted, look at this. It is a crazy actually. That looks nice if you just keep changing the color according to your desire. Look at this. It's actually kind of cool thing. The purple, green, red, blue, yellow, all colors. And this is a opacity you can see. So you can, when you just click that thing, look at this. And if I go this little far, you can see it just keep changing, right? So it's opacity of the colors. Look at this. So that's a cool feature. And if you just press and hold with this home screen, and before, whenever you just move the screen, so if you just leave it, it will go magnetically right spot. But this time it's not the new and exciting feature for the Android user, because they're already doing those stuff. But for the in iOS 18, they introduced first time you can just move your apps wherever you want on the screen. You can just place anywhere, of course in the grid lines, but you can do that thing. So this is a cool feature for the home screen. If you press and hold, and you can just add the widgets also, whatever you like, you can see it's and the widgets you can add the multiple other stuff too. That's also cool feature. iOS 18, they introduced the perfectly organized, and they have a bunch of the new feature in the control center. When you go to control center, this is the layout which you already saw in 17 and later. But this time when you click and hold there, you'll see the bunch of other options right here, and you can just make it smaller and the bigger accordingly. And if you go just click on it, you can just drag anywhere, just like the apps in iOS 18. You can just move anywhere, so you can just wherever you want to do you can do that. When you just hit there, it will show into the list. I didn't see in the iPhone 17. This is the new feature for me also. And in control center also, it has a multiple pages. When you swipe up, you'll see the different thing, and you just swipe up, it'll give you the all list, so you can add accordingly. And there is a shortcut which is a favorite, which will show you on the first screen, and then you'll see this is the music, and the second when you click on it, it will go to the next page, and you can add according to your requirement. But this is another cool feature in that thing. When you go to the home screen, look at this. When you go to the home screen, you can just change those icons. This one, initially iPhone just introduced these couple of options like the camera and the torchlight, but this time you can just customize that thing too. So let's talk about the map. They introduced a very good feature in the map. If you're the big hiker and you're the regular going for the camping and all this stuff, this feature is for you for sure. So if you go that, like especially in the Canada and entire North America, you can use this feature very easy, because in all North America you'll find a lot of bunch of park. If you want to go for your hiking, your trail, you can easily track your trail, and you can download and you can record your trail also, and you can go for the offline, so you know where you want to go and where you're going. So that's one of the best feature of the map. In the mapping section, they also made the very good feature, but we will discuss into the next video. Thumbs up if you like that video, and I'll keep updating about iOS 18 in the next video. Thank you very much.